Platform. Thank you for 91 protests. We would have been a lost voice if it hadn't been for people like you. So, you know, you might say, well, the police and their defence force, they won yesterday. It's a done deal. Don't worry about it. 1st of March, that it would be so, and that the mandates would end. But you know what? If a robber came into your house and he took something precious from you, are you going to see him out the door, or are you going to chase him off the property, down the driveway and out? Well, that's what we're doing. Even if they drop those mandates on the 1st of March, we're not finished. We're not finished. Because there's a COVID health response bill that has also got to go. And maybe, just maybe, we'll sack Jacinda. So here it is. It's our turn. So we're going to be in Wellington in force next week. On Thursday the 3rd, Friday the 4th, Monday the 7th, taking these chaps to the High Court. If you can be there, and you want to be there, we would love to have you there. If you're a teacher and you hadn't heard about this, come and see me in that blue gazebo over there and get one of these bad boys. And we'll help you get down to Wellington. So, hey, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity to talk about us and who we are. I'm going to be over there, and you can come and talk to me and learn more about New Zealand teachers speaking out with science. And watch the news. God help them if they don't stop the mandate for the teachers. That's all I can say. Thank you, everybody.
Awesome. One more time for Anne and NZTSOS. Yeah. Taking the fight to the High Court. Yeah, massive. Just a quick note before we carry on with the program. For those who park their cars over in Onipoto, there are free buses on 4 Ave across the grass, which can